Hey, I'm Mechanic Mike from Riverside Metro Auto Group Service Center, and this is Maintenance Minute. There it goes, that dreaded light. And I know what you're thinking, that you can ignore it because after all, it doesn't really mean anything, right? Wrong. A check engine light can mean a number of things. It can be something as simple as a fuel cap that's not secured, or something more serious like inefficient airflow or problems with the fuel or electronic systems. The most important thing to remember is that the indicator has come on for a reason. A proper diagnosis can improve your fuel economy and save you hundreds in repair costs. So let our factory-trained technicians tell you exactly why your check engine light won't go off. Let us take care of the small problems while they're still small before they turn into something bigger. No matter how complex the repair, our team is ready to get your car back in the road in no time. I'm Mechanic Mike, and this has been your Maintenance Minute.